Hi guys, and welcome back to my video, and thank you for coming if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing my version of the eyebrow tutorial. It's very simple. It's just 1, 2, 3 brows, although I have to be honest, most of the credit was already done by me going to the shop and getting them waxed. But this is really just me filling them in to make them look neat and ready for makeup the way that I like them, because I don't like them looking too polished, so to speak. I like them to still look natural. I don't think I have bad brows. I think I just have triangle brows. Now there are some areas where I have, like, I want to say bald spots, but not like, or thin hair. So I like that I can fill that in with makeup. But I don't use too much. I just use like 2 or 3 things at the most. I switch it up every now and then, but this is what I usually do. Like sometimes what I'm using right now, this is the Boots number 7 eyebrow gel. I'm gonna hold it up so you can see. Don't mind the fact that it looks, brown. I sometimes do my brows with my face on, or at least I used to, or I'll go in and touch them up. It comes clear, it doesn't come looking like that, but I'll put this on to make them a little bit neat, get them in the way that I want them to look. Then I'll just fill them in with the NYX brow pomade or powder. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, I'll just fill it in. I love the cost of these. It's very inexpensive. I would like to, learn how to really do my own brows from scratch, but I like them like this so far. And when I get them done, see, there's a mix. It pretty much lasts me like a month with maintenance. So that's not too bad for me. Now, I don't know about everybody else, but yeah, that's what it is for me. Now, I start by dipping it in the pomade and then the actual powder. Forgive me if I'm using the wrong terminology. I'm not good with that, but you can still see. What I do is I start with the bottom first, because the bottom to me is the most important, especially since I like to put on colorful shadows and everything like that. But the bottom and top, they really define it. And it's just also easier for me because the bottom is just shaped better for me. The top, it gets a little difficult sometimes because I consider myself to have like triangle brows. And sometimes I can overdo it, but I try to stick to where my actual hairs are and not go over, and just stay like right by how they're already defined because I got them waxed. And I have tried like multiple things like waxing, threading, shaving a little bit, not as much, plucking, and I like waxing. Threading isn't too bad either. Like, it is a different pain level than anything else. But as you can see, I just outlined what's pretty much already there. And I'm not heavy-handed, because in the very beginning I used to be heavy-handed. Always having a light hand is definitely important, because you can always add more versus take away something that's very, very out there. Did I just use slight brush strokes, go up with what's already left on my brush from the beginning of my eyebrow. See, pretty simple. Excuse me if you hear like my cat in the background doing his thing, and my stomach because I'm like extra hungry. But yeah, just go in with the front. Now I like a lot of space in between my brows. I don't like them close. I mean, to each his own, but this is just what I prefer. They have like a little chart of where it should be at. You can find it where it's like somewhere near your nostrils or lined up with your nostrils and your eyes and all that kind of stuff. But I'm not that type of person. Everybody's brows are different. Your brows aren't even exactly alike. They're sisters, as everybody say. You're not twins, and that is so true. Now this one, as you can see, versus this one, you see, it's just like me filling them in, making them a little bit sharper, but still natural. And then as I put like my foundation and everything else on, they still stand out, versus if it was my natural brows where I feel like they would disappear, because with how my hairs are, they're kind of like baby brows. Not too heavy, because some people have very heavy brows, and I don't. you also have to do what works for you. Anytime I talk too much in a video, just pay me no mind. It's because I'm loving the quiet time I'm getting, and I'm just trying to squeeze everything in that I can. But for the sake of this, I do think I will be quiet and let you just watch, because you can see it, you can practice it at home. It takes time, but practice makes perfect. Thank you in advance though for watching. Please give a comment, like, subscribe, hit the little bell notification, suggest it to other people, you know, tell me how I can improve my videos, because I know this is not going to be my only brow tutorial, because, you know, every day I try to practice, well, not every day I practice, but every time I do my makeup I try to practice different techniques and things like that. I do get in my comfort zone, but sometimes it is nice to experiment. Just like when you first start out, you never know if you work with a pomade, a powder, or a pencil. And to a certain extent, you have to try all three to see what works for you, because everyone is different. I found out that this works for me, but I think as I practice more and more, I do think I will try more. And I want to take you guys on that journey and show you all. But like I said, I'm not going to keep on talking, even though this video is basically almost over. I'm going to just let you continue to watch, and thank you so much if you made it this far. See you next time.